Hello student, in class 6 exercise 2.2 question number 3, find the value of the following. So here some questions have been given, and in this question you have to use distributive property. So I just recall you a into b plus c. It is nothing but a into b plus a into c. This is your distributive property, and by using this your calculation will be easy. So while solving this, there is no need to check, or there is no need to think which one is a, which one is b, which one is c. You just check the common number. This one is common, other are uncommon. So write the common number as it is, and then uncommon number 17. Middle sign is important, so write as it is. Uncommon number is 3. Then whatever you are writing in the bracket, you solve first. 17 plus 3, 20. So you do this calculation. 297 into 20. Here 0 as it is. 2 into 7 is 14. 2 into 9, 18 plus 1, 19. 1 carry. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. So it is 5940. Going into the question number B. First you check common number, right, as it is. Uncommon number is 92, middle sign plus uncommon number is 8. Do that calculation. First you solve the bracket number. 92 plus 8, it is 100. So now it's become very easy because 100 is there at the last. Write this number as it is, and finally we got the answer. So after this we go into the next question. Go into the C. So here in the question number C, first you check the common. This is common number, got that. So you write that first. Uncommon number you write, middle sign is minus. Uncommon number is 69. Here 169, here it is 69. Finally you solve the bracket number first. So as you know, 69 minus 69 getting 0, and then 1 as it is. So here it is 100 into, got that. While solving this, write 0 and then write rest of the number. So this is your answer. Then question number D. Here also you do the same procedure, but you observe there is no common number. Then what you do? We solve as usual. While solving this, we pick up this 2 number because this one is quite easy. 5 into 5, 55. So we solve that first. 3845 into 5. 5 into 5, 25, 2 carry. 5 into 4 is 20. Then 20 plus 2, 22. So here 2 carry. 5 into 8 is 40. And 2, 42. So here 4 carry. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So here our answer is this one. Then 782 plus. Now here I solve these two. First we solve this pair. Now we are solving this pair. 769 into 25. 5 into 9 is what? 45. 5 into 6 is 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 3 carry. Then 5 into 7 is 35. 35 plus 3, 38. 0 as it is you write. 2 into 9 is 18. 1 carry. 2 into 6 is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Then 2 into 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 carry, 15. Write as it is. 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 carry. So here 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 1 as it is. So it is this number. So now after calculation of this pair that we solve, here you observe number is coming same, so write that as it is. Uncommon number you write plus sign, second uncommon number is 218. Now we solve the bracket terms. 782 218, sorry, here plus is there because the sign is plus. 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10. So here we are getting easier number for the calculation. And finally you write the 0 as it is and rest of the number. So you found our calculation was very easy because of this trick. Now after this we will go into the next question. So our next question is question number 4. Find the product using suitable property. So you observe this is the exercise A. So while solving this, I write first number as it is into. Here 103 is nothing but 100 plus 3. So in this exercise also we use distributive property like A into B plus A into C. This property we will solve here. So you do the comparison, it is nothing but same. So while solving this, you do their multiplication, because if you multiply with 100 it will quite easy. Then after that give the plus sign. 738 into 3, they give 20 after the number plus. Here you do calculation. 8 into 3 is 24. 3 into 3 is 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry. 3 into 7 is 21 plus 1 22. Finally you do their addition. It was 73,800 plus 2,214. 14 as it is because zeros are there. 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. So the answer is 76,014. This is our answer. Now we go for the question number B. You do same process into. 100 plus 2 means it is nothing but 102. Then here you use distributive property plus 854 into 2. So here calculation is very easy. Last 2 0 as it is. This one you solve. 854 into 2. 2 into 4 8. 2 into 5 10. 1 carry. Then 2 into 8 is 16 plus 1 17. 1708. Then again you do their addition. So first number was 85,400 plus 08, write as it is. 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. So our answer is 87,108. 87,108. This is our answer. Going into the next question C. Here also you use the same procedure. 1008 is nothing but 1000 plus 8. So 258 into 1000 plus sign you give 258 into which number? 8. 30 as it is you write, rest of the number you write plus. This calculation you do 258 into 8. So 8 into 8 is 64, 6 carry. 8 into 5 40, 40 plus 6 is 46, 4 carry. 8 into 2 is 16, 16 plus 4 20, 2064. Now finally you do the addition of these two. So first number you write. So here 0 is there, so 64 as it is. Third 0 as it is. 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6, 2 as it is. So our answer we are writing. So this is our answer. Now going into the last question D. Here you write 1000 plus 5, that is nothing but 1005 into 168. You can change their order. Now you do 168 into 1000 plus 168 into 5. Got that? 168 write as it is, 30 plus. Now you use that number 168 into 5. Do their calculation. 5 into 8 is 40. 5 into 6 30. 30 plus 4 is what? 34. 3 carry. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 8. 840. So you do their addition. Last 30 and here 840. So 840 as it is, because upside zeros are there, right rest of the number. So our answer is 168 as it is, then 840. So this is our answer. So I hope friend you understood this exercise. It was quite easy. If you use their property and you arrange the number, then you can do the calculation easily. So I hope you understood this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.